hello. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's training. I've really enjoyed training you all on contracts. We are going live again tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to take you on a journey of, I'm going to share my screen. Let's see if I can share my screen actually. I think I have to do that in the beginning, which I'll probably do tomorrow. But I'm going to put this link here just so that you can see this. And this is what we're going to be going through tomorrow, which is about where to find contracts. So we'll be going through this. It's not letting me paste it in here. So tomorrow I'll discuss that with you tomorrow, because this has now gone funny. I shouldn't have touched this page. I've suddenly frozen. So thank you, everyone. I don't know why my page has gone all funny here on Facebook here, but tomorrow we'll do the training where I will show you live the actual contract pages so that I can show you where to find the contracts.